Right, for preparing the cold coffee, we have some instant coffee. You may also use coffee decoction if you have so, but these are summers, right? We want to prepare the summer coolers faster. That's why we are using the instant coffee. And we have some sugar. This is powdered sugar, ice cubes, ice cream. We are using the vanilla ice cream. You may also use coffee ice cream or chocolate ice cream, or you may skip it. And of course, milk. So we are going to prepare it. We are also going to use some chocolate sauce for decoration, but that's totally optional. And 10 minutes before is I kept this glass in the freezer. Now as I am going to decorate my coffee with chocolate sauce, I am going to decorate the glass with chocolate sauce and let it rest in the freezer for more 2 to 3 minutes so that the chocolate settles and does not ruin. So I am going to decorate. So after applying the chocolate sauce on the sides of the glass, I have kept that in the freezer again so that it settles. Now I am going to take about a cup of milk. So this much will be fine. I am going to add sugar to it. I leave the sugar part to you, how much you want to add. So this much for me will be fine. I am going to add coffee to it. So take some good quality coffee. This much will be fine. I'm going to add ice cubes to it and the ice cream. I added about a scoop of ice cream to it. Now let's blend it until it's smooth. Taken out the glass again. We are going to pour the coffee to it. It looks very delicious. I added coffee to the glass. I am going to top it off with some chocolate sauce. It will make it more delicious. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe for more of this stream. Do let me know how it turned out to be. And that's now for it.